Great, well, welcome back to today's video. Again, these are just the last things that I'm going to cover. This is stuff we got from the department with regards to your examination guidelines. This one looks at just what is no longer going to be in the exams. So please, in what you are going to be writing in your theory paper, this is just a list of things that's not going to be in there. So you can see CRT monitors, digital migration, all of these different items here. These are things that they might be in your textbook. You might have been taught these things in class, but unfortunately, these are things that have been eliminated. Okay, so they will not be examined on. What's also important over here, 4.3.3, they mention in other cases, the set differences between devices and technologies may have become blurred. As a result, some aspects of these concepts or devices will not be examined in order to avoid confusion for the candidates. So devices such as printers, hear me when I say this, printers will be examinable, but the comparisons between various printer types will not be examinable. For example, laser and inkjet print, they'll ask you, is this a laser? Is this an inkjet? Or which type of printer is this? That is fine. How does a laser work? How does an inkjet work? That should be fine. But in the past, they would ask you to compare the differences between a laser and inkjet. They are not doing that anymore. Okay, so please take note of that. You don't need to draw comparisons. Look, guys, you already know what the difference is, but they're just not going to test you on that. Then your wireless standards, your 802.11 ABGN candidates should know that 802.11 refers to a Wi-Fi connectivity standard, as I just mentioned. The details on the specific standards will not be examinable. So all you need to know is that 802.11 refers to a Wi-Fi connectivity standard. That's it. The concept of plug-in as a way of customizing the browser or program has been replaced by add-on. So please, again, when they mention, or where they would have mentioned in the past plug-in, they're going to mention now add-on. This is an extension of the software. Candidates will not be required, learners, please listen, not be required to distinguish the difference between the two concepts. The term add-on will be preferred. In other words, what you will find in your paper is them using the term add-on and not plug and play. Then candidates will no longer be required to distinguish between a phablet and a tablet. Right? A phablet is a small screen tablet or a larger screen smartphone. So you don't have to know that. Right? They're just going to talk about tablets. In your modem and router, distinguish between the function of a modem and the function of a router, even if it is one converged device. Okay, so here you need to know the difference between your modem and router, and then the difference between LCD and LED monitors will not be examined. I don't know how much more to stress that. Okay, so please, guys, when it comes to going through your work, studying everything, check through the content that I've given you so far. All the modules, it's all on the YouTube channel. Go through everything, have a look, but remember, this is not being covered, and then know what they are saying here in terms of what is going to be examined and what is not. And I know this is going to help you when it comes to your theory. So all the best and good luck with your exams.